guys and girls, it's Julia with Wig Review Central. I'm here with another wig review of a classic belle tress style, peppermint. Now this style has been around for quite some time. It's very popular, and one reason it's so popular is because it's very natural looking. I enjoy the feathery layers that are cut throughout this style. I feel that they frame the face beautifully. Now this is my own peppermint, and so I have trimmed the front bangs a little bit more here in the front because I like to have a little bang across my forehead. But what's great about this style is that it grazes the collarbone, so it's not incredibly long, and it's a long-lasting style. It's heat friendly so that you can add curls or waves if you like. I prefer it straight right out of the box. And it has enough density that you can always create a little volume if you like to have a fuller style rather than sleek and straight the way I like to wear it. Now this style features a left-hand side monofilament part and a temple-to-temple lace front. And now comes in a 100% hand-tied luxury cap style. Well, let's take a closer look at this beautiful style. Peppermint's wig cap features temple-to-temple lace front. It's sheer, hand-tied, and gives a very natural-looking hairline. The left side monofilament part is quite wide. Under this fabric mesh is a small amount of permatease, which gives the style its shape and volume. On either side, you have these fabric adjustable ear tabs. The sides and the back are open wefted for air circulation and scalp coolness. On either side of the sleek fabric nape are bra-like adjusters that allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to ½ inch. Peppermint's cap size is 22 inches in circumference, which is average. That's my head size. And this cap fits me snug right out of the box with the straps on the loosest setting, so there's not a lot of room. If you have a head that's a petite average, or average, you should be able to wear this style without a problem. The fiber is the Belle Tress heat-friendly fiber. There's no shine. It just looks like natural human hair. Now you can heat style this, and Belle Tress recommends going no hotter than 280 degrees on your setting for heat tools. The lace front is temple to temple. Beautifully done. Peppermint's left side monofilament part is 100% hand-tied and very well done. Let's take a look at the measurements. Let's talk about this beautiful color. This is a warm blonde color called Vanilla Lush. It is by far my favorite blonde color from Belle Tress. I like to wear warm blondes because that color complements my skin tones. I have some freckles and very fair skin. Vanilla Lush is not rooted. It is a blend of warm, medium, golden blonde, pale strawberry blonde. You can see some of the strawberry blonde blended in, and light honey blonde. No roots. This style is so popular, in fact, that Belle Tress has extended the colors that they offer. Belle Tress now has Dynamica Colors. This is aqua denim, strawberry shortcake, blue steel, and silver needle. So you'll want to check out those colors if you like high fashion colors for your wigs. Well, let's take a look at this color outside in natural light. I love wearing Peppermint right out of the box as shown. I like her sleek and straight with layers. There's plenty of movement thanks to the layers. Now if you like a style that's got more volume, you can always use some styling gel. Get your fingers in here and tease up the volume. Styling gel will work, or you can use some Aquanet, got to be glued spiking spray, or wig spray if you like. So you need to take a look at your favorite wig retailer and make this purchase. It's well worth it. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review of Peppermint. Take care. Bye-bye.